Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.